Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this coffee maker from BLACK+DECKER has become invaluable to me. This is a 12-cup mill and brew, which means it has a built-in grinder. You can also use ground coffee as well, but when you want to just get the freshest cup possible, you can add your whole beans right to the built-in grinder permanent filter, and you will be so impressed with how quickly it grinds and how delicious the coffee is. I was really blown away by how efficient this was. I'm using it in my office, so the coffee is so fresh and delicious, but I don't have to worry about getting filters or ground coffee. It has a strength button, and also you can choose how many cups that you're grinding, so you can really adapt the flavor to what you want. It also has a countdown, so it tells you how long the coffee's been sitting there, which really adds to the overall fresh taste of your coffee. Now, the first thing I would ask is, how difficult is it to clean? It works great, but is it difficult to clean? Not at all. When we're done, of course, cleaning the pot is straightforward, and the permanent filter is very easy. I just have to bang out the coffee grinds and then rinse it. It's just as easy as that. Nothing worse than having to worry about a difficult coffee pot to clean. This is no problem at all, and I love the fact that it has that permanent filter, so I don't have to buy filters. So if you want ground coffee freshness without having to worry about a separate grinder, that and so much more is what this coffee maker will bring you, and that is my point of view.